This plant, I got the identity and all. It's which I'll write on the cover of the video. I'd seen the first specimen some time back, but this one is a excellent plant here. That is from a botanical. If you want to see the full beauty of the plant, it's called as wood rose. So it has a woody kind of, I mean, when it dries up, and then in this the seed is there, couple of seeds, and leaves are have small thorns, soft leaves, and you can see the small hairy kind of thing here, and then underneath the leaf I don't see any hair. Then it's getting some coloration when the exposed areas.
What are these red berries?
I just come wait. It has yellow flowers, which I think flowering is over for this year, maybe.